Hi guys, Prasad here. So in this video, I'm going to talk about Spring Boot auto configuration. For example, in an interview, if anybody asks like, what is Spring Boot auto configuration and why we need them? So for that question, how can I answer? That's what I'm trying to do today in this video. So for example, if somebody asks me what is Spring Boot auto configuration and why we need them, then I will try to answer like this. In traditional Spring Framework application, if we want to use any Spring Framework related functionality in my application, I need to configure Spring Framework classes in my application. For example, if I want to use Spring JDBC related functionality to communicate with any database server, then I need to configure Spring Framework related classes in my application. For example, driver manager data source or JDBC template or transaction manager. If I want to use them in my application, I have to configure them as part of my application. So these classes are coming from Spring Framework itself, and Spring also knows about these classes. So if I am doing this configuration as part of my application, means if in my company we have multiple projects on Spring Framework, they also need to do in their respective applications. So if we think about one company, if we have thousands of companies which are working on Spring Framework applications. So they also need to do multiple applications in their company. Uh, Eventually, this is becoming boilerplate logic because thousands of companies, hundreds of thousands of projects are doing the same work, same configuration in their applications. So like that, it is becoming a boilerplate logic. So Spring Framework identified that as a issue, and they try to resolve that issue by using this Spring Boot auto configuration. So what happens if we try to configure Spring Framework classes in our application? So it is eating a lot of developers' time to do that work, even though they are coming from Spring Framework and they already knows about it. So to resolve that issue, Spring Boot came up with Spring Boot auto configuration concept to configure Spring Framework classes on their own. So developer no need to do any configuration for these Spring Framework classes to use their functionality in the application. So how this works is, so for every Spring Framework classes in Spring Boot auto configuration, they are given a corresponding class, auto configuration class to configure that Spring Framework class. For example, if we talk about JDBC template, we have JDBC template auto configuration. And if we talk about dispatcher servlet, we have dispatcher servlet auto configuration. Like that, they have given for each and every Spring Framework class, there is auto configuration class. By using auto configuration class, automatically configuration will be done. So developer no need to do any additional configuration to use the Spring Framework functionality in the application. So that's how this Spring Boot auto configuration classes reducing the configuration time of a developer and speeding the development process, because developer only has to concentrate on the functionality development only. No need to worry about any configuration like that. So this is the way Spring Boot came up with auto configurations to reduce the configuration time in application development. So if anybody asks me what is Spring Boot auto configuration and why we need them, I can answer like this. Thank you guys for watching. Bye.